क्वेसन नै पढेर सुनाइदिन्छु नि त मैले व्हाट इज द करेक्ट एक्सप्लेनेसन अफ एआई भन ल अप्सन बी आर्टिफिशियल इन्टेलिजेन्स हैन ठीक छ अब बोयजलाई व्हाट डज आर्टिफिशियल इन्टेलिजेन्स मेनली फोकस अन ऑप्शन ए enhancing human brain capacity improving data security system developing machines capability of intelligent behavior designing database option A wrong answer. Option C, improving data security system is right answer. Who is known as the father of AI? Who is known as the father of AI? यसमा त ऑप्शन पनि चाहिदैन. C, right answer. जोन एम सी कार थे. धेरैचोटि एक्सप्लेन गरिसकेको कुरा हैन. Which of the following is subfield of AI? Machine learning, web development, network engineering, cyber security. Which of the following is subfield of AI? AI को subfield कुन चाहिँ हो? ऑप्शन सी में के छ? नेटवर्क इंजिनियरिंग रॉन्ग आंसर. ए जान्न हैन यता यता नगइसकेपछि राइट आन्सर के हुन सक्छ? ए मेसिन लर्निङ तिमीहरुलाई कतिपटक एप्लिकेशन्समा पनि कुरा गरेको अझै पनि गल्ती गर्दैछौ है. अर्को चाहिँ हेर व्हाट इज द प्राइमरी गोल अफ एआई? solving artificial problems, extracting scientific causes, understanding human intelligence only, solving real world problem intelligently. Fast. Girls. Pass. Solving artificial problems, extracting scientific clauses, understanding human intelligence only, solving real world problems. Option D is right answer. Wrong. Which of the following is the application of AI? Website hosting, natural language processing, manual software testing, cloud deployment. AI को एप्लिकेशन्स कुन चाहिँ हो? पछाडीको च्याप्टरहरु तिमीहरुले हेरेकै छैनौ है पढाएपछि हैन. यस बी नेचुरल ल्याङ्ग्वेज प्रोसेसिङ इज राइट आन्सर. The process of AI is generally categorized into 2 categories, 3 categories, 4 it has no categories. यो रिसेन्ट डिस्कस गरेको टपिक हो है. कतिवटा क्याटेगोरिजमा डिभाइड गरेको छ? क्याटेगोरिज AI A right answer. 2 categories. Wrong answer. 3 categories. 3 categories है त. मैले त्यसमा 3 भयो जस्तो लाग्यो. यो अस्ति भर्खर त कुरा गरेको हैन र. आर्टिफिशियल इन्टेलिजेन्स is categorized based on functionality, capabilities only, capabilities and functionality, programming language. Fast. Option C right answer. Which of the following is core component of AI? Designing, learning, drawing, formatting. Learning. B is right answer. What is the role of an AI agent? Mapping goes directly to hardware, acting without any environment input, mapping percent sequence to actions, mapping user to databases. Option C is right answer. Which of the following is not a type of AI agent? Learning agent, goal based agent, simple reflex agent, unity based agent. Not a type of AI agent. पता गर्ल्स Not. Fast. Option D, unity based agent is right answer. Which language is not commonly used in AI programming? यो धेरै डिस्कस भइरहेको कुरा हो. प्रोलग, लिस्प, जावा, एचटीएमएल. कुन प्रोग्रामिङ ल्याङ्ग्वेज कमनली एआईमा युज हुन्न भन्ने थियो. यसमा कुन प्रोग्रामिङ ल्याङ्ग्वेज होइन भने पनि कुरा एउटै हो है. ए रङ एन्सर. कुन प्रोग्रामिङ ल्याङ्ग्वेज होइन? एचटीएमएल प्रोग्रामिङ ल्याङ्ग्वेज होइन. डी एचटीएमएल प्रोग्रामिङ ल्याङ्ग्वेज हो, होइन नि त. Which AI system was developed by Daniel Brobe? ल है ट्याक्क चाहिँ अप्सन छ. अप्सनहरु यिनीहरु हेर है त. यिनीहरु मध्येको कुन चाहिँ तिम्रो चाहिँ सिस्टम डेनियल ब्रोबले चाहिँ डेभलप गरेको? गर्ल्स फास्ट. स्टुडेन्ट, टिचर, डक्टर, मास्टर. राइट एन्सर स्टुडेन्ट. प्रकाशले अघि नै आइडेन्टिफाई गरेको एन्सर. एन्ड नेक्स्ट, what was the main function of student system? Only reading algebra problem, only solving numeric equations, reading and solving algebra words problems, solving graphical problems. यो स्टुडेन्ट सिस्टमको काम खासमा के थियो? यो एआई डेभलप सिस्टम हो हैन? एआई रिलेटेड सिस्टम. यसको काम के थियो? ऑप्शन सी, रीडिंग एंड सॉल्विंग अलजेब्रा वर्ड प्रॉब्लम्स. राइट आंसर. Which of the following is not an AI applications? Face recognition, chatbots, autonomous vehicles, DBMS. एप्लिकेशन कुन चाहिँ एआई को होइन है. ल फास्ट. गर्ल्स फेस रिकग्निसन, चैटबॉट्स, ऑटोनोमस सिस्टम र डीबीएमएस. डीबीएमएस इज राइट आंसर. Which system requires human input but interrupts output independently? Actuator, sensor, AI system, switch. Sensor, AI system, switch and actuator. Option C, AI system. Right answer. How many informed source method are commonly studied in AI? 1, 2. 17. Question number 17. 1 or 2? Informed source methods are commonly studied in AI. 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. एन्सर के भएर 3 भने हैन. यस्तो थियो कि एन्सर पहिले आइसकेको थियो. मैले यति बेला अप्सन ट्विटर रहेछ कि भनेर 1 र 2 मा मात्र रोक्दै. तिमीहरुलाई त झन् अप्सन फाइदा थियो, त्यही पनि रङ गर्यौ है. ठीक छ. हाउ मेनी, जब तिमीलाई त्यतिमा रोक्दैछु भनेपछि त्यो बाहेक अरु हुँदैन भने तिमी ढुक्क भएर भनेको बेलामा. हाउ मेनी propositional system are generally used in propositional logic? Option D, right answer. The number of logical symbols in artificial intelligence is fixed, 3, 5 based on logical representation. Option fast. Option C. Option D is right answer. Which are approaches to artificial intelligence? Applied approach, strong approach, weak approach, all of the above. Option D, all of the above. Face recognition system are based on strong AI approach, weak AI approach, conjunctive AI approach, logical approach. भर्खर डिस्कस गरेको कुरा हो है लास्ट क्लासमै. Strong, wrong answer. Option B, weak AI approach. Which is an advantage of AI? Faster problem solving, reduce human error, increase efficiency, all of the above. Option D, all of the above is right answer. Which factor helps improve the performance of an AI agent? Observing only, preserving, learning, all of the above. All of the above is right answer. AI agent consists of program only, architecture only, program and architecture, database and UI. Option number C is right answer. A basic line following robot is based on strong AI, conjunctive AI, weak AI, general AI. Fast. General AI. Option number C, weak AI is right answer. Next question, artificial intelligence has progressed less in web mining, real-time dynamic planning, robust and natural understanding, game playing. Option C is right answer. Which of the following can be considered an intelligent agent? Autonomous space card, human, robot, all of the above. बताओ. Golf. Option D. Option D, all of the above is right answer. Which of the following represents AI applications expansions? Game playing, planning and scheduling, medical diagnosis, all of the above. All of the above is right answer. What base defines an AI agent? A program controlling a robot, a system responding to user commands, a system preserving and acting upon environment, or database driven applications. Option C is right answer. Which type of environment involves uncertainty? Option A, B, C, D. D is right answer. Which AI techniques handles vague and impress informations? Boolean logic, functional logic, binary logic. Option C is right answer. Which technique generates human readable hypothesis? Machine learning, interactive logic programming, neural networks, reinforcement learning. Option B, right answer. What does Bayesian network provide? Partial description of domain, complete algorithm, exact prediction, always hardware implementation. Option Option A, right answer, and reduce the 1 marks of voice. How many types of quantifiers are used in AI? 1, 2, 3, 4. Fast. 5 seconds only. B. And what is weak AI? A. Right answer. Which of the following considered the big ideas of AI? Option D is right answer. ओके, AI को सेशन ला एंड करो और को सेशन स्टार्ट करने की ना करने आज